Hello, my brothers and sisters and faculty at Faith Leeds University. I wanted to certainly sorry, I cannot be with you today for our meeting, um, but definitely I want to help you all to give you some tips on how to develop your courses. Um, what I'm going to do in this video is share with you some tips and tools and just how I was able to, um, get through everything. It really is a great system that Faith Leeds University has chosen, and it will be something that you will enjoy as we go along. So I'm just going to give you steps on creating your course. And so that first step and is develop your syllabus. And I'm going to actually show you um, what I've created because, well, first and foremost, always start with prayer, asking God how to lead and direct you, how you want your students to advance. So, this is the syllabus for the effective prayer principles. So, I put, the course overview, um, as well as, office hours you can put, the course description. But where I want to really zoom in is your course learning targets, your course outline, and this is where you will be able to develop each one of your lessons or lecture lessons. That would be how you'll be able to do so. And also will share with you with developing your syllabus, you would want to develop um, the, the slides that you can actually have within your course as well. So two, you're going to organize your lectures like I was just showing from the syllabus. Make sure you have them. As always, where the spirit leads, if you need to change anything, you can change it. And then three, you're going to record your lecture, which I'm going to show you how I've recorded my lecture to be able to put on there. Also, step four is that you will begin to adding to your Tutor LMS. There's some information, and I will get back to that. But I'm actually going to go into this is what we would call the course. So when you log in, you have your credentials. You'll be able to, you have your course title. And if you see here, if I change anything up at the top, there's a save button here. Usually it does it automatically. So if you do any of those changes as you are changing, but you also can save up top. So after you have, for sure what exactly you're going to be teaching as your lecture, then you can go in, you're going to add a topic. And when you click add a topic, I like to label them. So let's say lecture, I'm going to say lecture 2, I'm going to say sample, just so it can be there. And then a summary. The summary should not be so long, but maybe like one sentence. This lecture will involve teaching you how to balance life and school. Okay, so then you click add the topic. Okay, and immediately you see that it's here. When you click it, you see that it says lesson, quiz. You can import a quiz as well. Also assignments. You can add that. So we're going to start with the lesson, and I'm actually, and you can edit this anytime. And then also you can delete it if it's something that, you're not wanting to have. So I'm going to delete that one. And as you can see, are you sure you want to delete? So it's deleted. Very simplistic. I was very happy about that. So I'm going to cue you into one of my lectures, which is lecture 1, Understanding Prayer, the 5 Elements. So I put in here the 5 elements. This is the lesson. That's what it was called, or what it is called. And what I have done is I put questions of thoughts in here. I've uploaded an image, which will be featured, and I'm also going to show it to you how it is previewed. And I also put the video lesson here, which is about 14 minutes for this lesson. So I'm actually going to show you. So I click update, it updates, and now I'm going to show you on the preview section. So this is what it looks like. You have to be a paid to see everything. As you can see, it's locked. But when I go to lecture 1, you can see that there's a video there. Also, it's locked where you can't go in until you actually are a paid. But, so take a look. This is what it looks from a student perspective. So I'm going to play this just so you can see. And so take a look. Welcome to our first lecture number 1, which is, and I'm so glad that you are here. And I recorded this with the Zoom tool, so you can do that. So you can share your screen, and you'll be able to record that. And this is what it looks like. I also put the attachments of the slides, which I was talking about previously, that you want to develop and be able to share with your students. This is hyperlinked, so they can actually go through these. Also, I would suggest Flipgrid as well. Flipgrid is a great tool for discussion. You can check that out. Learning targets. So this is something that the students would be able to see. I'm just going to click back. And this is what Tutor LMS sets up so nicely once you have it all set up. Now I am going to go back to this side. And once you have completed all of your lessons within, you will be able to hit the submit. And I do want to share this document here. It is a Tutor LMS tutorial where it's step by step, and I will how you set it up, overview of visuals, teaching us how to put in those videos, how to make the announcements, which I am going to show that for you with the drag and drop. Let me actually show you that. So let's say that you put this in the wrong place and you want to put it up top. If you hover over, you can actually move it around. And so it's a tool for us to create our materials. And then at the bottom, this is what it's going to ask you: the benefits of the course. And as you see, it says list the knowledge and skills that the students will learn after completing the course. And it's 1 per line. Also, you have the requirements, like what tools, and I hope you're seeing how it's automatically saving each time, which is very, very helpful because if you forget, it's already saved. So then if you want to do an announcement, so let's just say um, quiz due um, end of class. So this is like a little announcement. Students, you will, and it's saving up top, you will need to complete this assignment by end of class. So we do that, and then you click add the announcement. It adds it, and if you look at the bottom where the announcements quiz due, and it tells you when it was posted. And again, if you don't need that announcement, you can easily delete that announcement. And again, up top, it's going to save. If you need any additional help, I definitely will be more than happy to assist. I hope just some of the tips and just a visual to see really, really helps you out. So again, any questions, feel free to text or even in our group WhatsApp. And also my email is available as well. So it's been a pleasure. So sorry that I was not there with you all, but I am definitely with you in spirit. And I think I want to put this in the chat so it will show up. And then also I want to share the link to the document that you can go back to and get a little more help if you want to see visuals. So again, I pray that this really, really helps you guys. And I am so thrilled that I can be able to assist you. Have a wonderful and blessed day.